Okay, let's try some graphs. Boop. Graph the linear function. Now, you can totally, if you want to, make a chart for all of these where you plug in numbers for x and get numbers for y. Or, as it says there, a linear function is the graph is a line with slope m and y-intercept 0b. So in part A, what ordered pairs are y-intercept? 0, 3. So I'm going to put a point at 3. And the slope is 2, so we would go up 2 units and over 1, and that creates another point. And then connect the dots. La la la. When you say forward, well, if we had 1/2, yes. The numerator is the rise, up or down. Denominator is the run. Yeah. So if it were, for instance, negative 2/3, I would suggest moving down 2, but then always going right 3. Yeah.
So use the 2, choose the slope, right?
Choose the slope.
Go up and 3, right? And y-intercept.
We went up 2 units,
2.
and then right 1.
And that's because of
slope. So slope is the relationship between any 2 points.
Mm-hmm.
So no matter how, you would always use that proportion, 2 to 1. So up 2 over 1. We could have gone up 6 over 3. As long as that proportion of 2 to 1 is still the same. So the easiest one is 2 over 1. Okay, what's the domain? What numbers can you put in for x?
2.
All right, what else can you put in for x?
1.
All of them. Look at the function. Are there any fractions? Radicals? Logs? Nope. You can put in any number you want. Looking at the graph to determine domain, you ask yourself, how far left to how far right does the graph go? Because of this arrowhead, it's telling us it's going to the left forever. Because of this arrowhead, it's telling us it's going to the right forever. So how far left to how far right does it go? It goes the entire distance. All real numbers. Whereas for range, how far down does the graph go? All the way down. So that arrowhead also says it's going down. How far up does it go? All the way. So what's the range? All real numbers. Or you can do parentheses, negative infinity, infinity. How about g of x? Pick a number for x. Any number you want. 4. If you plugged in 4 in for g, what do you get? 5. Pick another number. 1,250. If you plug in 1,250 in for x, what do you get for g? 5. No matter what you plug in for x, what are you always going to get? 5. So that'd be like 1, 5, 6, 5, 8, 5. What type of line is this? Horizontal. When your function equals a number, it has a formal name and it's a constant function. What's the domain? How far left to how far right does the graph go? Yep, negative infinity to infinity. What's the range? How far down to how far up does the graph go? Just 5. No matter what you put in for x, you only get 5. So notice I have a brace there because I'm listing what the numbers are.
So it only goes up.
It doesn't go up or down. It stays at 5. Right. How about C? Pick a number for x. 7. What do you get for y? 7. Pick another number for x. 2. What do you get for y? 2. What if you pick -3? What do you get? -3. If you kept doing this, notice you would get this line. This line says that all the x values are the same as the y values. So you have the point 55, 0, 0, 9, 9. One more time, please.
How does that say that?
Sure. So if we wanted to find h of 5, then I would plug in 5 in for x.